are Teresa Tims, president of TDR Mortgage in Upland, California, and we've got a weekly update for you. Rates are still low and prices are still going up. The one thing that I want to impress upon my audience is that if you have friends or family members that are tight on paying their mortgage, they may be able to refinance and not even know it. So pass along my name and number. We're taking an incredible amount of people out of FHA and into conventional loans where they can save tremendously on that monthly mortgage insurance. I promised to talk about the $25 billion Settlement Act. That's an act that happened last year. And you know, a lot of people still don't know what it means or how it could possibly impact them. So let me share with you some of the details. The National Mortgage Settlement.com is the website where you can get more details. But basically the agreement settles state and federal investigations that found out that the foreclosures were happening illegally, all the robo-signing stuff. So as a result of that, the Big Five settled a lawsuit where $17 billion is to be put aside for principal reduction or loan modification, $3 billion in national refinancing relief, $5 billion to fund payments to 49 states and government agencies. Loans that are impacted are they had to be serviced by Ally, GMAC, Bank of America, Citi, Chase, and or Wells. The loans cannot be owned by Fannie, Freddie, FHA, VA, basically no government entities. They call them a government-sponsored enterprise, GSEs. An obscure fact that you may not know, and I actually recently found this out, is that if you are current, now I can't do this loan, so this is something where if you don't qualify for that Harp program, you know, that special government program where they'll refinance you if you're upside down, if your loan is owned by Fannie or Freddie. Well, this is if your loan is not owned by Fannie or Freddie. So these are the things. You have to be current on your mortgage, and you have to be underwater, and your interest rate has to be greater than 5.25, and the loan had to be originated prior to June 2009. So if you meet all that criteria, you've been trying to refinance but don't have the equity and have been declined, call your servicer. We can't help you, but call your servicer and find out, hey, under the National Mortgage Settlement Act, do I qualify for this special refinance? So these are being done by your servicer. That this program is going to run its course until they run out of money. That's expected to be about 3 years for them to get the funds out. So, you know, if you've been turned down for a modification before, you know, it doesn't hurt to pick up the phone and call your servicer and find out if this is something that you qualify for. So we're happy to be able to tell you about it. If you have any questions, you know, feel free to call into our office. The next thing is, you know, that Harp program, I haven't seen it officially, but it has been extended for a couple years. That's what I've heard. So it's the Housing Assistance Refinance Program, and that's where if your loan is owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, you can refinance even if you're upside down 100% and not have to pay monthly mortgage insurance. So it's really a superior product. We've got people saving thousands of, well, not thousands of dollars, maybe a year, but you know, from $200, $300 to $700 a month. I think that's it for this week's market update. If you or someone you know is looking to buy, sell, or refinance, please think of Teresa Tims at TDR Mortgage. Call us at 909-920-3500, and you can find me on the web at thesocalloanpro.com. Until next time.